Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Mihani. In this section, we are here to explore Loom videos, what it does, and how to use it. Loom videos is an amazing tool to record your screen along with audio and video. So together, let's find out how it's done. Log on to loom.com and click on Get Loom for free to get you started. Sign up and fill the necessary details and you will be directed to this window. Here you have to click on New Video and record a video. So now you have, if you click on this drop down button, you have three recording types: screen and camera, screen only, camera only. So if you select screen and camera both, your screen will be shared along with your video being shown here, which you can also enlarge as per your requirement. Let's go ahead and start recording for screen only. Here you will have to share your screen, or you can select a particular window, or you can also select a particular tab if you would like. So let's go ahead and share entire screen. Yeah. So your screen recording will start along with the audio in this case. You will see a timer here. You can see a finish recording tab. You can also see a pause button if you would like to pause. You can also see a cancel recording button. A video will be shown if both are selected. Also, there is an option named as stop sharing. You can do it from here, or you can hide it. If you select on hide, it will not show your stop sharing button in your recording. So let's go ahead and finish the recording. Yeah, so now you can see your created video here. Yeah, so there are multiple options to do with your video. If you want to cut a particular section, you can trim. If you would like to call to action, if you want your viewers to visit a particular URL, they can visit from this. Let's say I want my viewers to visit loom.com after the video. So I can click on call to action and enter the URL and click on save. So you will see a visit Loom button which is being showed during an entire video. So they can click at any point of time on this visit Loom button and they'll be directed to loom.com. So now you can go ahead and create your Loom video. Thank you for listening. Have a